Hello everyone, welcome to Crisnat Developer. Today I'm solving the question which is mentioned in the description below in Python language. So let's start by creating a new file. I'll create raw text file and later I will rename it as .py. So let's make it multiples.py. Okay, now we will edit this. Okay, here we go. I have already installed Python in my system, so I just opened it with Python IDLE. It's an interpreter. So let's start by typing our code. So first of all we will define two variables, and in Python we don't have to define which data type is our variable is. So we define two variables, we declared it as 0, and we will introduce a for loop for iterating it till 1000 according to the problem. So for I in range, and the range is 1000. Okay, so we have to take care of the syntaxes. Here the indentation is most important, so we will write if I modulus 3 is equal to 0, or I modulus 5 is equal to 0. Actually I forgot to put a space between R and I. Okay, here we go. So our code will recognize that if the number which is iterating from 0 to 1000 is either fully divisible by 3 or fully divisible by 5. If this condition satisfies, then the value of sum will get updated by sum equals to sum plus I. Okay, so if the I will be fully divisible by 3 or I will be fully divisible by 5, then it will get added in the variable sum, and this variable I declared as 0. So in the initial iteration sum is 0, and sum plus that number will provide another number. Okay, so I have to come out of this loop. Okay, I came out of this loop, and then I will print our result, print, and then we will write the sum of the instead of writing this whole para, I should write the sum of the numbers are, and then I'll put a space and this, and I will write comma, and I will write the variable which I want to print, and then bracket close. Okay, so I will save it. I saved it, and I will run it. Run module. Okay, the Python cell initialized, and here it is written the sum of the numbers are 233168. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.